Hello, Karamjiri, and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Sue talks with Sktv'S groups resumed with Centre and Manipur government. Sktv'S groups raise separate administration demand again. And bodies of 2 children killed in Lobby incident taken from RIMS mortuary for last rites. Now the news in detail. Weeks after the unfortunate bomb attack at Lobby by suspected Kuki militants, family members have claimed the mortal remains of 5-year-old Oinam Tomthin and his infant sister Oinam Yaisuna from RIMS mortuary today. The 2 children were killed in the tragic bomb attack which was carried out by suspected Kuki militants on the night of April 7. The incident has shocked the people, and ever since people have come out for widespread protest demanding justice for the young victims. Following the request from family members, the mortal remains of the victims have been taken for final rites at Lam Tabung and Phagakchao Ikai today. People gathered at RIMS and paid final goodbye to 2 young children who were killed in their sleep during tragic bomb attack incident. Amid the cries of people who have gathered at RIMS, the mortal remains of 2 innocent children were taken for their final rites. Centre has resumed talks with Sktv'S armed groups under suspension of Operation Sue agreement after nearly a 2-month pause amid renewed ethnic tensions in Manipur. The meeting, held in New Delhi and convened by Ministry of Home Affairs, marks the first formal engagement since fresh unrest surfaced in parts of the state. It was chaired by newly appointed interlocutor A.K. Ajit Lal, who recently took over the role for Northeast peace talks. Senior officials from Intelligence Bureau, security agencies and the Manipur administration, including the Home Secretary and Additional Director General of Police, attended the discussions. Delegations from Kuki National Organization KNO and United People's Front UPF, both signatories to the Sue Pact, represented Sktv'S groups in the day-long talks held in 2 sessions. The first phase focused on security and operational issues, particularly functioning and location of designated camps for Sue cadres. Both sides reportedly agreed in principle to relocate certain camps to reduce friction with nearby communities and improve security management. Sktv'S representatives also raised concerns over continuing unrest in Nukrul district, alleging threats to civilians and incidents of village burnings in recent weeks, and called for urgent intervention and confidence-building measures. The second session centered on political demands, with Sktv'S groups reiterating their long-standing demand for a union territory with legislature for the hill areas they inhabit. They cited historical and developmental grievances, including inadequate infrastructure, poor access to basic services, and alleged inequities in resource distribution. The groups further stated that the scale of violence and erosion of trust since May 2023 had met return to the earlier status quo unfeasible. Interlocutor Ajit Lal assured that the concerns and demands would be conveyed to higher authorities. The center reiterated that restoring peace, deploying central forces where necessary, rationalizing camps and continuing dialogue within the constitutional framework remain its immediate priorities. Radha Binod Sevai Board organized 137th death anniversary of General Balaram Saugai Jamba, a prominent soldier who fought for Manipur's freedom during 7 years' devastation. The event was marked by a floral tribute ceremony at memorial site of General Balaram Saugai Jamba at Moirangkom Saugai Jamkolup. Descendants of General Balaram Saugai Jamba, members of General Balaram Saugai Jamba Foundation, along with other eminent persons, attended the program. It is worth mentioning that General Balaram Saugai Jamba is regarded as one of the greatest generals in Manipur's history. Young Balaram was part of the Manipur levy of 1826 and was a soldier of the liberation of Manipur from the Burmese. He also led Manipur's forces to put down the Lushite rebellion in 1871 and was a decorated hero who received an award for helping the British defeat the Burmese at the Battle of Kandat in 1885. The excerpts on Kandat War, in which General Balaram Saugai Jamba fought, is mentioned in G.R. Grant Brown Burma Gazetteer Upper Chitwin District Volume A 1913. On the outbreak of war in 1885, 3 English assistants of the Bombay-Burma Trading Corporation were murdered on the launch at Chitwin near Mingjing, and shortly after this, the political agent Colonel James Johnston and the contingent of army led by General Balaram Saugai Jamba of Manipur marched to Kindat through Kabobeli and rescued 2 other agents of the company. General Saugai Jamba Balaram was awarded Kandat Medal for his heroic act by Sir James Johnston, Chief Commissioner of Assam, on behalf of the Government of India for his services in 1885. Speaking on the function, Treasurer of Radha Binod Sevai Board, Saugai Jamdarin, elaborated on bravery and achievements of General Balaram Saugai Jamba.
Laibaki Rang Labana, Maramoidana, Edo Balaram, Tawajam Balam, Jenengi, Samu Kuntatre, Suba, Lake Dabagi, Nishing Toromasi, Apoigi, Halamasinga, when it's some Poigi, Lai Apolay Su Katlaga, Apoigi 100 Kumsigi in a day, Matan, Apona, Pankok Sakare, Aduga, Edo Balaram, Sawajam Jenena, Adunga, Manipugi, Tanatana, Rodaba, Jasiki Oiraba. Hokiwa Taldok Saitari Kudakpada, Gauduna, Kogi, Manipuri, Makumilami, Amomadagi, Jenegi Punkagiba, Tungi Matangi, Aising Makogi, Levaki Taldanga, Sarup Yaramaba, Ito Sibu, Sakang Mana, Viramba, Tabuto Masibu, Sakang Vivoiduna, Gomengi Saitegi, Function Sibu, Steki Levelda, on Topino Damuta, Ning.
Cycle MLA Kim Yo Hangshing on Wednesday launched the Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission MSRLM for Lungtin Block at SDO Office Lungtin in the presence of SDO Lungtin Samuel Misal, Inside Northeast Director Heijang Misal and District In Charge Letjin Dongal. The program was also attended by village chiefs and church leaders, including Kam-Mang Hangshing of Lungtin Christian Church and Head Deacon of Gampum Baptist Church, Jamjing Kongsai. The MSRLM initiative seeks to organize poor households into self-help groups and their federations, strengthen financial inclusion, and promote sustainable livelihoods. It will further support infrastructure development, enhance market linkages, and provide skill development and entrepreneurship opportunities for rural youth. Troops of Indian Army detected and safely neutralized a suspected explosive device during a routine patrol near Mosang village in Churachandpur district on Thursday, averting potential threat to civilian lives. Following the detection, Red Shield Sktv'S of the Spear Corps swiftly deployed bomb disposal team, cordoned off the area and enforced necessary safety measures. The presence of explosives was also confirmed with the help of trained army dog, after which the team carried out controlled in-situ destruction of the device without causing any collateral damage. Officials said that the operation was executed with precision and strict adherence to safety protocols, ensuring safety of both civilians and security personnel. Sit-in protest held at Wangkai Pukrambam Lekai Community Hall against firing of several rounds at the residence of Ngangom Dilip last night. Pukrambam Leirak Marapaibi Publicity Secretary Kundongbam Ongbi Sadhiya Rani said amid the unrest situation in Manipur, firing of several rounds in residential areas has created intimidation among the people. She appealed those involved not to repeat such act in future, adding that proper dialogue should be held instead of causing fear among the people. She said that sit-in protest will continue unless those responsible individuals claim the act of firing.
Maram su khangdana maram su laitana asukki laibaki usit yangon tawriba irangje sigi maraksida aikoi je hingbam khangdana lairibane ba hujik je ri tawgadabno maikai kadom da chalaga akoi je karamba lambi chalaga akoi je karmaina tawraga hingadage khangdingai maraksida sumaina khangawdana yumlakta no mai kapsen birame akoi kamaina hingani asolana angang kara mayam ama akoi de community hall lampak lairi je akoi gi sigi jaga je kwai de akoi gi kolop sigi pokhambam lairakki hai tare ne sida mi pumbam ne ba ko akoi di sidaida akoi without any information, kari tawai no kaino jo khangda bida yumlakta no mai kapsan birame yumlakta haije yum manung da tari bani yum manak ta tari bani adu tardi sidaida mi da kaida halamanda angang da palam taragadi akoi kanana daita lobini kanana risk lobini sigum.
The National Testing Agency (NTA) has issued public advisory for candidates appearing in NEET UG 2026, scheduled to be held on May 3, 2026, outlining guidelines on dress code and permissible items at examination centers. As per the notice dated April 30th, candidates are allowed to carry transparent water bottles and wear articles of faith, provided they report well in advance for frisking. While light clothing is recommended, candidates may wear full sleeves or woolens if necessary, subject to early reporting for security checks. The advisory further states that slippers or low-heeled footwear are preferred. So candidates have been urged to strictly adhere to these instructions and cooperate with examination staff to ensure smooth conduct of the test. Now we shall take a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Sktv's News.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. Mayang Imphal MLA Kongkam Robindro organized a felicitation program for Nixon Lystrom, who have secured 54th rank in Manipur Civil Services exam conducted by MPSC. MLA Robindro, as DPO of Mayang Imphal Police Station, Tayan Jem Clinton, along with other eminent persons, attended the program, which was held at Mayang Imphal Kaitel Durga Puja Mandop today. Speaking in the program, MLA Robindro stressed on the challenges faced by Manipur and urged young civil servants to diligently perform their duties and to take the state and its people forward. The MLA also congratulated Nixon on clearing the MPSC Civil Services exam and wished him luck on his new journey as civil servant.
Sahi la koi la kai mai jaba tumhai ma khanjara ha ma ku chego ha ma muti gi sei da si ha ma muti gi thawan song si la da si ke ka kai de ba ta u ko koi na khan ge se karam ba tumhai ga mai ge mu lo ga ge ha se ma si mu ka ma sahi la tumhai ga khan bi go ma pha da ba ti ta u ko ya da ba ko ko gi ko no ko ge ko ti lai ki ti ni ko ka pa ya tha da ko ro si se ba na ta ga ge ko gi tumhai pam tu ni da tumhai do ge ni da ko ga ma ni ba ko ga la wi ko ma ta ma ni me se ya mo re ba.
Celine Digital has submitted a memorandum containing 3 demands to Manipur Governor and Chief Minister in connection with ongoing conflicts in Manipur. According to Chairman of Celine Digital, Dr. Panjobam Lanajit informed that the memorandum demanded constitutional rights under Article 19 Clause D and Article 21 of Indian Constitution. While expressing confidence that government will act on the demands of Celine Digital and people of Manipur, Dr. Lanajit also highlighted the initiatives taken up by Celine Digital in creating awareness about the crisis in Manipur. The organization has met with MPs of other states and has carried out candlelight vigil at New Delhi to draw attention to Manipur crisis. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Thokchom Satyabrata, has expressed deep grief over the demise of former Minister A.S. Arthur, who passed away in New Delhi on Saturday morning at the age of 99. In a condolence message, the Speaker described Arthur as a distinguished public figure who dedicated his life to public service with integrity and commitment. Recalling his political career, he noted that Arthur was elected to the 4th Assembly from Ukrul constituency as an independent candidate and later to the 6th Assembly on an Indian National Congress ticket and served the state in important ministerial roles including forest and environment and general administration. The Speaker said Arthur's contributions to the state would be remembered with respect and gratitude and extended heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, including his son Alfred Kangam, Arthur, and all those mourning his loss, praying for eternal peace to the departed soul. The first Fusam Jalil Memorial Award has been presented to students of Mayang Imphal Bengun who scored high mark in Class 12 examination. The awards were presented to 28 students in a function held yesterday at Mayang Imphal Bengun 28. The awards will be also presented to students who scores high marks in BOSAM Class 10 examination. Citizen Club Soibam Laikai organized reception program for Hanjabam Raj Sarma, who won gold medal in National Sub-Junior Powerlifting and Deadlift Championship, which was held at Rajasthan's Udaipur. Former Wangkai MLA Okram Henry, President of Citizen Club Soibam Laikai, Narim Mahindra, Amuko President Sanjoy Sorokaibam, along with other eminent persons, graced the function. Speaking in the program, Narim Mahindra lauded Hanjabam Raj Sharma for winning gold medal and encouraged him to work hard to win medals at international events. He also assured that Citizens Club will continue to support talented sports person and will provide assistance whenever possible.
Sports की कोई ना हाँ बता कैलोसी स्टेट की नेशनल जज बने नेशनल की एशिया ना तो इंटरनेशनल जज को ची टारगेट ने अदुना मसी मरद का अमुक लेप कितना बा मरद का साना बसी लेप ना बसी दी मामा मापा की पेरेंट्स की खुद तैयार ले रहे अदुना मामा मापा सिंगा अंगांग सी माना तो वो तो तबुक तोरण सिंगो मामा मापा ना नमक तो वो कांदा क्लब दा हाईवी Chin Lumagadi, I go show Heidi, like what you were, so we show my Mama clubs in a Marul to Mother Laborina.
CJ Eye Care Foundation and PCB, H&M and Samthong Longjam Leirak Development Club, under the sponsorship of social activist Langbom Johnson, jointly organized free eye screening and cataract surgery camp at Samthong Longjam Leirak Community Hall today. About 300 people availed eye checkup during the camp. Speaking on a sideline, Assistant Manager of Business Development and Operations, CJ Hospital, V. Mayeng Bum, stressed on the benefits provided by CJ Hospitals through PMJY, National Program for Blindness, and PCB, National Health Mission, NHM, in providing free cataract surgeries at Shiza Hospitals. He also informed that Shiza Foundation will hold similar health camps at various places in the state and continue to serve people of the state who have been affected by the crisis. District Vet Office, Bishnapur, under the aegis of Department of Vet and Animal Husbandry, organized a awareness free FMD vaccination program in multiple locations of Bishnapur district. The program was organized on a theme, let us work together to make Bishnapur FMD free and ensure healthy livestock and better livelihoods. FMD vaccination today. Healthy livestock tomorrow, prevent FMD. Protect your income, healthy livestock. Prosperous farmers don't delay vaccinate your cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat and pig today. Free vaccination at farmers' doorstep. Director of Department of Vet and Animal Husbandry, Lasham Arun, Joint Director, District Vet Office, Vishnupur, Dr. Tongbram Vidyarani, Vet Officer, Vishnupur, Dr. Lasham Arjun, Deputy Director of Dairy, Dr. R.K. Labakishore, took part in the vaccination and administered FMD vaccine to over 100 cattle. Speaking on the sideline, Director Arun highlighted the importance of foot and mouth disease vaccination as India sets target to eradicate FMD by 2030. Kanglei Economy Development Organization (KEDO) observed its 19th Foundation Day at Kwaramban Kaital yesterday. Additional Secretary Karam Bono, KEDO President Soibam Maniton, Professor Chinglen Meshnam of Manipur University attended the program. Speaking in the program, Karam Bono appreciated KEDO for providing means of livelihood to people. He also lauded the volunteers of KEDO for their hard work and contribution. Let Nurhim Memorial Foundation observed its first anniversary during a function held in multi-purpose hall, Kwakta Bazaar today. Jamaitul Ulma-e Bishnupur District ASD, Sadar Maulana Isluddin Kasmi, Foundation of Late Nurhim Foundation, Mohammed Junus Khan, Social activist Mohammed Abdul Matalib, Jamaitul Ulma-e Bishnupur District, Sadar Maulana Abdul Salam and Sadar Maulana Abdul Kalam of Anjuman Islahi Moshira Kwakta graced the program. Financial assistance was also provided to Masjid in Kwakta area. United Labour Organization Manipur ULOM organized International Labour's Day at its office at Bishnupur Brahmapur Lake yesterday. Khalay Salup Manipur Council President Jungkham Joykumar, Federal Students Kanglei Park President Kanglujam Amarjit, Ulom President Moyangtem Dhiren, Kanglei Pana members and Ulom members attended the observance. As part of the observance, gifts were presented to labourers working in different locations of Manipur on April 27. Nongpok Ningtho Panterbi Thogal Kanglabiari Pok Top Jingtha has expressed gratitude to Andro MLA Thongnaljam Sham Kumar and Water Resources Department for carrying out restoration work at historically and religiously significant Inamung Path, which is suffering due to overgrowth of biomass. The organization has thanked Andro MLA for carrying out such initiative to restore Inamung Path at Yaripok Top Jingtha. Now we have the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center Lamphal Path, its maximum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 17 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 96% in the morning and 100% in the evening. As per IMD record, Manipur received 40.2 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Talks with Kuki-Zo groups resumed with center and Manipur government. Kuki-Zo groups raise separate administration demand again. And bodies of 2 children killed in Trong Lobby incident taken from Rims mortuary for last rites. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching Sktv's News and keep watching for more news updates.